What's up, guys? Currently in Ruidoso, New Mexico. It's a cool little mountain town. Looks hippie, looks trendy, all that good stuff. Looks like that's a good place to eat. Howdy. So yeah, got some cool art. Definitely a small New Mexico town. Wonder if they have a Walmart. You know what's going on? This is Monday, right? Pretty sure this is Monday. It seems awfully busy for a Monday. Must be spring break. Come here to ski, I guess. It's gotta be. I'm almost positive this is Monday. Yeah, Monday. So just everybody here on vacay. There's a lot of people. Yeah, just shocked by the amount of people. But spring break's a good time to go skiing. I just hope I'm not caught up in all those mountains or in that snow. We shall see. So this is where the BDI course starts out of Ruidoso. No actual off-roading yet. Well, guys, this is a cute little cool little town. I'll bet you it's a better haven than Utah or something like that. I'm sure it's a well-known secret or something of that nature. But looks like I'm on this road for another 9 miles before we hit off-road, so I'm gonna save that for the next video. Thanks for watching.